Keep your language positive, keep your atmosphere positive, and remember, negative suggestion has reverse effect. So stay positive in your language to influence yourself and others positively. Thank you very much. Ladies and gentlemen, all leadership begins with self-leadership. And self-leadership begins with taking charge of your language. Stop using negative language if you want to positively influence anyone or if you want to positively influence yourself. Because, see, when you are leading anyone, you have to understand you are leading their mind. If you're leading yourself, you're leading your mind. For that, you need to understand your mind. And one of the things about the mind, especially the subconscious mind, is the subconscious mind operates with the principle that negative suggestion has reverse effect. Think about it, write it down, remember this. Negative suggestion has reverse effect, which means simply this. Whenever you tell somebody don't do something, their mind will automatically move towards doing just that which you are telling them not to do. For example, if I tell you, don't think of an elephant, okay, what thought will come to your mind? Elephant. Now, there was this temple priest who understood this psychology of the mind. And there was this guy who goes to him and he says, oh priest, I haven't had a child for so long, and can you please do something and pray to God, and I want to have a child with my wife. So the priest is thinking in his mind, man, if you want a child, you have to do something. What can I do? But then he cannot say that. So he says, okay, I will give you something to do. See, when someone is superstitious, they will buy anything. Okay. So he says, take this seed, plant it in the ground outside your house. Okay. And then the tree will grow from there, the plant will grow, the fruits will come, and if you eat that fruit and give your wife this fruit and do whatever else you need to do, you will have a child. So he's very happy. He says, oh, that's great. But the priest says, but you need to give me some money for my temple. We're undergoing some renovation, so I want some donation. He said, of course, he's so happy. He said, if he gets a child, he doesn't mind paying any amount of money for that. So he gives him some donation. And as this man is about to leave the priest's temple, the priest tells him, but just one more thing. Remember this. Whenever you are planting the seed, please do not think of a monkey. Is what? Do not think of a monkey. Because if you think of a monkey, it will not work. Then don't plant the seed. Come back next day and plant the seed. Now the guy goes away, a little bit puzzled. Priest has got the money for the temple. And whether that guy gets the child or not depends on his own efforts. But you can be sure that every time he plants the seed, he will say, what is it that the priest told me not to think of? Monkey. Oh, I have to plant it again tomorrow. And he will never be able to plant the seed. Politicians understand this. They say, I am not telling you that the opponent is corrupt. I am only telling you about myself. And by saying that, they have already said about the opponent. But many people don't understand this law and this principle of the mind, that negative suggestion has reverse effect. And what they do is that they use it unknowingly on their family. Okay? Now imagine this. Father is sitting in the living room reading a newspaper. Mother is cooking in the kitchen, and the little 6-year-old boy is for the first time carrying a tray with the cup and the saucer and the tea, and he brings it out to his father. It is 20 steps from the kitchen to the living room where the father is sitting. The boy has walked 15 steps. He has only 5 steps more to go to reach the tray to his father. His father looks down from the newspaper, looks at him and says, don't drop it. Okay. What happens? The kid gets nervous and drops it. And then what does the father say? I told you. Okay. Whenever you tell somebody, don't worry, If the dentist tells you, don't worry, it's not going to hurt, you know it's going to hurt. Okay? And you prepare yourself for that. And then it hurts more. Okay? So when you say negative things to people, don't worry, don't think about dying. Okay? It's just terrible stuff that is happening. Whenever you talk negative, you are spreading negativity and you're implanting more negativity in your mind. Garbage in, garbage out. Thoughts are nothing but a recycling and regurgitation and a manthan of the information that you are feeding your mind. Okay? So feed your mind positive language. Shut negative news, which is most of the news. Get to know the essence, but don't dwell too much on it. Stop talking negativity with other people. In the name of positive, people say, oh, you are not looking too well. Do you have corona? Don't do this, please. Okay? Don't spread fear. Don't spread negativity. Keep your language positive. Keep your atmosphere positive. And remember, negative suggestion has reverse effect. So stay positive in your language to influence yourself and others positively. Thank you very much.